homemakers, how is your day going? So let's talk about, what's that? Homemaking hacks. Oh yeah, because God knows everybody needs some life hacks that make things a little easier. Oh yeah. So these are things I do when I need to do a quick tidy up, quick clean, and the house is in chaos, but I don't have time to do deep clean. Is I grab the baby wipes. They make a huge difference. Grab those baby wipes and I will spot clean the floor. I will dust with them. They are great for gathering dust in my opinion. I think some of my very first cleaning vlogs that I used to film, I talked a lot about that. Is diaper wipes are fabulous for dusting. Oh yeah, they're great for spot cleaning. When I was pregnant, I went through the whole nesting thing, and so I was like down the baseboard scrubbing with my diaper wipes and a brush. It works so well. The second thing is buy a giant brush. You guys remember my giant brush of power that I always feel so fabulous in whenever I'm using it. I'm like, yes, it's like this long. It's a huge brush. You can use it for anything. You can get a couple and use them all for different surfaces, so you can mark them that way. It's great, like the right tool for the right job. And when you're trying to scrub and you just need a really quick thing, a giant brush, a couple scrubs back and forth, boom, you're good. It's not detail clean, but it's good enough. That really helps me when I'm trying to scrub up things. And 3 is have a great smelling cleaning solution. I like more natural cleaning solutions personally, just because of my allergies and my asthma and everything. So have something that smells good because you're clean, you're disinfecting, and then you're also making the house smell a little bit better. Because I don't know about you, but family members are stinky. They stink up your house for various reasons, and you're just like, I just want a nice smelling home. So if you don't have time to like bring out the aromatherapy diffuser and fill it up and remember which scents you want where, just, you know, a nice smelling cleaning solution, boom, just smells good. I like to use ones that have a little bit of essential oils in them anyway, so it's just a nice scent. It's easy, it's simple. I don't feel like homemaking has to be this giant anxiety-inducing task that you gotta do, you labor through, it's miserable, your house is whatever, right? You want to build a home, and that's what I love about homemaking, is getting to be empowered to build my home for my family and not drive myself crazy, because I'm a member of my family and I often have to remind myself of that. I'm a member of my own family. It's important that I'm enjoying my home as well, and the way that I do that is sometimes I need clean hacks, you know. It's really hard to, with a 6-year-old and a 4-month-old baby, and working full-time, always have time to detail clean. I just don't. It's rare. It's rare to even get to sit down and say hi to you biscuits. You know, sometimes you got to figure out what can give, what can go here, what can go there, and how you can make homemaking joyful. So easy hacks, simple. Another thing that I love to do, this is like one of the easiest things. You can go to like a bulk goods store. I go to Costco, or you can go to a restaurant supply store. Buy a giant thing of baking soda. Baking soda is just like a universal cleaner. Do not mix it with bleach. Yes, don't mix it with bleach. Don't do it. People are like, oh, too. No. It creates a chemical reaction with a gaseous thing that is very bad for you. No, don't do it. But just baking soda, some baking soda and vinegar, just baking soda and water. It is a great scrubber. It's an odor neutralizer. You can put some in your fridge. Sometimes I will do some in my toilet to scrub with, do it in my single material sinks. It is just a great scrub oil. You can scrub tiles with it, make sure how they're sealed, because that can affect things. It's just a really good go-to scrubbing base. Just have it around wherever you need it. You're like, oh, I'm out of cleaning multi-purpose spray. Here's some baking soda, right? It just, have easy ingredients. Don't make it expensive. Don't make it time-consuming. Don't overthink cleaning. Like, it's easy homeworker cleaning hacks, right? It's just things around the house. 100 years ago, what were people using, right? 50 years ago, what were people using? Ask your grandma, what was she using to clean? Like, what was her cleaning routine? And then, you know, take away 90% of that and go, what 10% can I use so that I don't have to clean all the time? Because everybody's schedules are different now. Oh, what's that? Ooh, am I wearing our merch shirt? Oh yeah. So I'm wearing this one in an XL. And I use it as a nightgown, around the house shirt, casual wear. You can also get it more fitted. It is in our merch shop. You can check us out on Instagram or in the shop. I love our merch shirts though. Okay, biscuits. I'm going to see you in the next video because guess what? We are getting cracking on this summer. We are getting all our self-care on Patreon. We are filming all our vlogs on the main channel. And we are just hopping on here for getting tidy and getting homemaking. I'll see you around. Big hugs. I hope you're doing well.